Let's review the security options associated with file servers. As described in the related videos for the VSFTP, NFS, and Samba servers, you can customize some level of security in those individual configuration files, but you can also configure common levels of security for all services. IP tables-based firewalls can be configured with the Security Level Configuration tool. As you can see in the GUI version of the tool, it looks like you can easily configure trusted services just by clicking the appropriate tick mark. You would think this supports trusted services for FTP, NFS, and Samba services, and that's true for FTP and Samba. But for NFS, this isn't good enough. As described in the related NFS video, you'll also need to fix the ports for a few daemons related to NFS in the etc/sysconfig/NFS file. You can then configure access through those ports using the Other Ports option and the Add Port window shown here. All of these services are configured using TCP packets and thus can also be controlled using TCP wrappers. As configured in the etc/host.allow and etc/host.deny configuration files. Let's review a bit from the TCP wrappers video. Directives in these files are configured in the daemon, client, command format. And with these directives, the command isn't required. The daemon is normally defined in the user/sbin directory. For the VSFTP server, the daemon is vsftpd. For the NFS server, the daemon is rbc.nfsd. For Samba, the daemon is smbd. The client can be configured in domain name format. For example, .example.net includes all clients with the example.net suffix. The client can also be configured in IP address format. For example, the IP address network mask combination shown here includes all addresses on that private IP network. And of course, there is Security Enhanced Linux, which is most easily configured with the SELinux management tool. It provides fine-grained control. Configuration details were described in other videos.